Hey, how's she going, boys? Mike here. Welcome back to Grampie's workshop. So I'm glad you joined me. Chilly in the shop this morning, but I had my heater going. It was -5 and I got in here this morning and I ran it for about an hour and it's up to 8 degrees now, so gotta like that. And you can't hardly smell anything. So an update on my heater. I like it, it's working good. But what this video is all about is not the heater. It's about I'm calling it an unboxing. No, it's not an unboxing because I've already opened it up. So I'm not going to open the box. But I bought myself a new camera, and that's what this video is going to be about today, is all about my new action camera that I bought. So this is the camera we're going to be looking at today, an Akaso V50X. Okay, I bought this off Amazon for 140 bucks Canadian. So far I'm liking it. It's a nice size. It's you know, action camera size. Canon V50X. This camera, it can do an awful lot of things, and it has a lot of options and features and whatnot, but I'm not going to really get into the details of what this camera can do, like the specifications of it, because I'd like to hold that off for another video. Once I get to know this camera a little bit better, then we'll do a video about the actual specs on this camera and you know, some of what it can and cannot do. But for this video, what it's all about today is just going to be, I'm going to set this camera up on a tripod along with my regular camera, the camera I'm using right now, which is a Canon Vixia HF R800. I'll set them both on the same tripod mount, and then we'll take some video around the shop here, and then we'll go outside and take some video. It's nice and sunny today, so we'll just see how this camera works out compared to the Canon Vixia. Now, Canon is a great camera. I think everybody knows Canon makes good cameras. How is this Akaso going to match up to the Canon? Well, let's find out. Okay, just a quick walk around the shop. Now what I'm looking at here is the window in the shop, and the sun is shining in there this morning, so it's very, very bright. So this is a good way to check to see how it's handling multiple colors or multiple brightness levels. So we'll go up and down there and back and forth and just see the difference. Remember I was doing a video on my compressor? Well, there's the compressor. And it's not back together yet because I ran into a problem. When I started to assemble this compressor, the air manifold started to leak on me. So anyway, I'm going to have a video coming up about what I did to resolve that. So anyway, over here in the corner of the shop, it's kind of dark. So this is going to be a good test, I think, to see if the camera can pick up dark colors. Action cameras are notorious for poor quality in low light areas. So we'll see how that works out. There's my Massey Ferguson clock. How do you like that, folks? It's 5 after 47:50 right now. And then looking back over in the corner with the bright light shining, just to see what kind of effect that has on the video. Okay, let's go out for a walk and see what we see. It's cold out today, so put your hats on. So we come out right away into the very bright sunlight. So I'm walking over here a ways, try to get into the shade. Look at that, can you see the sun sparkling on the snow? It's so cold here that Justin Trudeau had his hands in his own pockets last night. You Canadian people understand that. Everybody else, I don't know, look it up. Justin Trudeau is our Prime Minister in Canada here, and my opinion of what he's doing is not great. He's spending money like a drunken sailor, and it's my money he's spending. Well, it's our money. Back here in the shade, going from bright sun to shade. I don't know, what do you think? Sugar Shack, looking down over the lake. I'm going to try and walk down here by the lake if I don't kill myself. Good test for image stabilization anyways. So this is just walking down the path we have to the lake. so it'll be interesting to see what the image stabilization is doing. And also I'm going to be switching videos between each camera just to see which, or switching audio between each camera to see if we can determine which one is best, or compare them at least. Get my dock put away for the winter. Look out over the lake. Man, if you're playing road hockey, or if you're playing hockey on this lake today, get a breakaway, you could skate for an hour and a half. Beautiful day, look at the sky, eh? Another good thing I like about the cameras, how well they pick up the blue of the sky. So there's a good shot there to compare those colors. And then I look back up kind of into the sun. Check out the camp and the shop. So I don't know, what do you think? Is one camera better than the other? Is the Akaso V50 a good action camera? I don't know. I hope so. So the Akaso V50X on the same tripod mount as my Canon Vixia, and we can compare the two video clips, or I hope we can. I have to edit this and see if I can put them both together, but I'm sure I can. And I'm also going to switch between audio, so I'll have audio from the Canon on for a while and then audio from the Akaso on for a while, because this Akaso has an onboard mic and I'd like to know how good a quality that is. And the Akaso is set up to take 1080p 30 frames a second, and the Vixia, I think it's 1080p at 60 frames a second, but I'm not really sure about that. But anyway, be that as it may. Let me know what you think. Do you think this was a good action camera? Do you think that was worth getting? Is it going to be alright taking video with this on the channel? I hope so. Let me know in the comments what you think, would you please? And hey, if you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm so glad you dropped by. I hope you enjoyed the video today, and I hope you watch other of my videos, and I hope you subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, and thumbs up me. And for my regular viewers, you know, thumbs up me too. I like that. Thanks a lot for watching, everyone. It's cold today. It's been cold now the last 2 days, so put another log on the fire, stay warm, and we'll talk to you.